how to use the Saraoupup solar charging power bank. We're just going to go over everything that's on it really quickly. So let's start in the back. So these are your outputs, so you can plug in your different items here. You have your iPhone, your USB-C, your micro USB, and then the male USB, full-size USB. This is the area for the wireless charging, where you'll set your phone down or anything like that to charge. And when it's wireless charging, you also have this indicator light here that will come on. Now in the front, we have obviously the solar panel here. We have these indicator lights here, which we'll look at just a second because we're going to turn it on. So the last thing we really have, I got to show you the, these are all obviously outputs. Now we have these also, we have this micro, USB-C, and USB. Now these are all outputs as well, except for this USB-C is also an input if you need to actually charge this, not from solar, but by plugging it into the wall. You can plug it into that USB-C there, and the juice will go into the charger. We have two lights up here, and then we have a power button over here. So if we want to turn the charger on so that there's no charge coming out, even if something's plugged in right now. So if we want to turn that on, we're just going to hit the power button, and the lights will come on. And so now you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lights. This one is not turned on, which means we have about a 75% charge. So it's the 4 indicator lights, like 25, 50, 75, and full charge. When this is getting light and solar charging, this will actually turn green. And then this will actually turn off. If nothing gets plugged in after 30 seconds, you'll see these lights will go off, because this will automatically turn off if nothing is used in 30 seconds. Now the last thing is it has these flashlights. And to work these flashlights, all we need to do is long press for 3 seconds the power button, and that will turn the flashlight on. And then I can turn the flashlight off by just holding 3 seconds as well, and that will turn it off. But I'm gonna turn it back on here and show you, because also when it's on, I can also short press the power button when this is on, and it will toggle through a slow flash, a fast flash, and then if I hit the power button again, it will now turn off. So really, that's pretty much all there is to it. If you're interested in this solar power bank, I'll put a link down below. Thanks for watching.